Getting some miles underneath us today on Medallia. It's day 7 of the Vendée Globe race, day 6, day 7, Saturday. And the big thing today is to skirt our way around Tropical Storm Theta, which is sort of in front of me to the south and to the east at the moment. Now, for us guys in the older boats at the back of the fleet, Theta hasn't been so much of an issue because it's not been directly in our path, and in fact actually we can use it to our advantage by just skirting down the edge of it as it passes across west to east in front of us, and that'll give us a bigger breeze. But what we need to be really careful of is that if the trajectory of the storm is slower or slightly different to what's been forecast, what I don't want to end up doing is sailing smack bang into these massive winds and seas. So what I'm looking at today is trying to understand the difference between the projected route, the forecast for the storm, and the real situation. So the projected route, I've been using just downloading 2 different weather models, and they've given me weather forecasts which show me how windy it is anywhere at any given time, and then I'm overlaying on top of that satellite images. So let's just have a look at how I'm working everything out. So this here is my forecast. So this is what the GFS model thinks that the weather is going to look like, and right there that's the center of the storm. You can see the arrow with 4 sticks on it, so that means the wind there is 40 knots. In reality it's probably more like 50 or 55. So the question is, how close is this to reality? And the way I can check up on this is by overlaying a satellite image. So there, this is 10:30 today, and we can see that actually that's not too bad. That's fairly well lined up. So all of this cloud here, this is the bottom half of that storm, and the center is normally quite clear. So that was at 10:30. Let's advance on a bit. Okay, this is at 11:15. So again, that fairly well matches up there. 11:45. And 12:15. And actually, I think that forecast is pretty much spot on, which gives me some confidence to carry on in the direction I'm going.